In this video, we are going to solve some exercises whereby I'm going to give you some time to solve the question before I solve it for each question. For instance, the first question, I'm going to let you use 20 seconds to solve each question before the timer runs out. So 3, 2, 1, your timer starts now. And your time is up. Your time is up. So if you were able to solve the question, then kudos to you. So this is how we solve it. We simplify each of the following. So we have 5p. The first thing we are supposed to do is to group like terms. So we group this. There is 5, there is p here, and there is p here. We group like terms. So we shift the whole thing minus 7p here. Then we move the negative 6a here, and we have plus 10a. So 5 minus 7 gives us negative 2p. Negative 6 plus 10 gives us positive 4a. The same way we are going to solve the question number 2. In question number 2, this is how we are going to solve it. So I'm also going to give you a time for you to solve it. That is 20 seconds. So if you were able to solve it, then you are good. So let's solve this question. So we have 8x squared here. So we scan through the expression. Okay, there is x squared in this term, and there is also x squared in this term. So we have 8x squared. Now we have negative 20x squared. Negative 20x squared. Next one we have negative 15a. And the last one we have plus 3a. So we get 8 minus 20 gives us negative 12x squared. Negative 15 plus 3 gives us negative 12a. And this is the answer. So the next question, we are also going to solve the same thing for 20 questions. So if you were able to solve the question, then you are good. But if you are not able to solve it, there is no need to worry about it. So this is how we solve it. So we group like terms. There is w here. We scan through the expression. This term, is the w here? No. Is the w here? Yes. So we have 5w. 5w. And the next one is negative 4w. Negative 4w. Then the next is plus 7p squared. The next is plus 3p squared. So we add 5 minus 4. We have w, because we can't write 1w, right? And 7 plus 7p squared plus 3p squared gives us plus 10p squared. So the next question. If you are able to solve it, then you are good. If you are not able to, if you are not able to solve it, there is no need to worry about it. And this is how we solve it. So the first thing we do is to group like terms. So we have there is x squared here. We should be very careful. This is xy, not x squared. This is y squared, not x squared. And there is x squared here. So we 3x squared plus 4x squared. The next expression, this term is plus 6xy. So we scan through for 6xy, for xy. Okay, there is another xy here, minus 8xy. The last one, we have minus 3y squared, negative 3y squared. The last one here is plus 2y squared. 3 plus 4 gives us 7x squared. 6 minus 18 gives us negative 12xy. So then we have the next one, we have negative 3 plus 2 gives us negative y squared. And we are done. For the next question, I hope you can set your own timer to do it. So let's solve the next question. With this question, we were asked to regroup the following and simplify. So we should first regroup this. So this and this are like terms. We group them 4a plus 3a, and positive 3b and positive 2b are the same, plus 3b plus 2b. 4 plus 3, because they are like terms, 7a plus 3 plus 2, 5b. The next one is we group like terms p here and p here, p minus p. Then we have this plus 3q. The next one is positive 2q plus 2q. P minus p gives us 0, 0, and 3q plus 2q gives us positive 5q, which is the same as 0 plus 5q will give us 5q. The next one, question 3, we group like them. So x squared here, x squared here, and is there any x squared here? Yes, the last one, there is x squared here. Keep note that this is x cubed. X cubed and x cubed, they are not the same as x squared. So we have 3x squared, right, minus 4x squared minus x squared. Then the next one is minus 2x cubed, right? The last one is plus so this is minus x squared minus 2x cubed plus 4x cubed. So 3 minus 4 gives us negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1. So we have negative 2x squared. The next one is negative 2x cubed plus 4x cubed gives us positive 2x cubed. The last example, we have we have h here, and we also have h here. So we group like terms. 3h, negative 2h, and these are the numbers, plus 8 plus 2. So we have 3h minus 2h gives us h. 8 plus 2 gives us 10, and we are done solving the question. If you are able to solve all the questions on your own, then I think algebraic expression will be interesting for you. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.